Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Podcast Zone. I'm your host, Sophia, and today we're going to talk about something very important for every English learner: how to introduce yourself in English. Introducing yourself is one of the first things you do in English, whether you meet someone at school, work, a party, or even online. It's the first impression people get of you, and it's important to do it clearly, confidently, and naturally. Let's start with the basics. The most common way to introduce yourself is to say your name. You can say, "Hi, my name is Sophia," or simply, "Hello, I'm Sophia." These are simple, polite, and friendly. You can also add a greeting depending on the time of day, like, "Good morning, I'm Sophia," or "Good evening, I'm Sophia." After saying your name, it's common to share a little information about yourself. For example, where you are from. You can say, "I'm from London," or "I'm from Mexico City." This gives the other person some context and makes the conversation easier to continue. Next, you can say what you do. For example, "I'm a student," "I work as a teacher," or "I'm learning English." This helps the person understand a little about your daily life or your profession. Sometimes it's nice to add a hobby or interest. You can say, "I like reading books," "I enjoy playing football," or "I love cooking." Sharing hobbies makes the conversation more personal and gives the other person something to respond to. Now, let's put it all together in a simple introduction. Hi, my name is Sophia. I'm from London. I'm a student, and I enjoy reading books and learning English. This is clear, simple, and friendly. When you introduce yourself, remember to speak slowly and clearly. Don't worry about mistakes. The important thing is to communicate and show confidence. A smile always helps too. Sometimes the person you meet will ask questions after your introduction. Common questions include, "Where are you from?" "What do you do?" or "What are your hobbies?" Try to answer with short and simple sentences like, "I'm from Brazil," "I work as a nurse," or "I enjoy painting." You can also practice asking questions back. For example, if someone says, "Hi, I'm Omar. I'm from Spain," you can respond, "Nice to meet you, Omar. I'm Sophia. Where in Spain are you from?" This makes the conversation natural and friendly. It's also helpful to learn phrases for more formal introductions. For example, at work or school, you can say, "Hello, my name is Sophia. I'm new here. I work in marketing." Or in a meeting, you can say, "Good morning. I'm Sophia. I'm looking forward to working with you." Another tip is to practice introductions regularly. You can practice alone in front of a mirror or with a friend, teacher, or even a language partner online. The more you practice, the more confident you will feel. You can also record yourself speaking and listen back. This helps you notice your pronunciation, pacing, and tone. Little by little, you will sound more natural. Remember, introductions don't have to be long. A few simple sentences are enough. The goal is to give your name, a little about yourself, and possibly a friendly question or comment to keep the conversation going. For example, you could say, "Hi, my name is Sophia. I'm learning English and I enjoy watching movies. How about you?" This is friendly, clear, and encourages the other person to respond. You can also prepare introductions for specific situations. For example, at a job interview, you might say, "Hello, my name is Sophia. I have 3 years of experience in marketing and I'm excited about this opportunity." At school or a language class, you can say, "Hi, I'm Sophia. I'm learning English and I love reading books and listening to podcasts." Another tip is to use your introduction to show enthusiasm and confidence. Even if your English is not perfect, people will respond positively if you speak with energy and a smile. It's also useful to learn how to introduce yourself to a group. For example, "Hello everyone, my name is Sophia. I'm from London. I work as a student and I enjoy learning English. Nice to meet you all." This works well in classrooms, workshops, or online meetings. Sometimes conversations move quickly. Don't worry if you forget words. You can say, "Let me explain another way," or "I mean that I like reading books." Simple phrases like this keep the conversation smooth. You can also learn friendly follow-up questions. For example, "Where do you live? What do you like to do in your free time? Do you like English?" These questions help you practice speaking and listening at the same time. By practicing introductions in small conversations every day, you will become more confident and fluent. Start with 2 to 3 minutes a day, then 5, then 10. Consistency is more important than length. Remember, everyone starts somewhere. Mistakes are natural and help you learn. Every time you introduce yourself, you get better. Let's summarize a simple introduction formula. 1. Say your name. 2. Say where you are from. 3. Say what you do or study. 4. Say one hobby or interest. 5. Optionally, ask a friendly question to continue the conversation. So, a full example is, "Hi, my name is Sophia. I'm from London. I'm a student and I enjoy reading books. How about you?" Practice this every day in front of a mirror, with a friend, or in class. Soon, introducing yourself in English will feel natural and easy. Thank you for joining me today on English Podcast Zone. I'm Sophia, and I hope this episode helps you feel confident introducing yourself in English, making new friends, and starting conversations anywhere in the world. Keep practicing, stay positive, and never stop speaking English every day.